At the end of July, I did a Filofax and Let's of London unboxing, which you can find the video of that in the link below or on top of the screen. In it, as a Filofax ambassador, I received the Saffiano Personal Organiser in the colour Blush, which Filofax has officially launched on their website. So now it's time to have a closer look. Let's go. Filofax just launched the newest shade of blush to their Saffiano collection. It comes in mini, pocket, personal, A5, as well as a personal compact zip. Let's take a closer look at the personal size organizer. So this is the Filofax Saffiano Personal Organizer in the shade Blush. It is made from faux leather. It is soft to the touch. The cover is hard and sturdy, and this is what it looks like on the outside. It's got the Filofax embossing branding and stitching all along the edges and stitching on the strap. Let's quickly have a look compared to the Malden Organiser in personal in the color pink. So this is the Malden, and as you can see, the shade is very close to each other, very similar. So I would say the Malden is more of a ballet pink, and of course the Saffiano is the blush. Size comparison, they're fairly the same size. Probably the Malden is slightly taller and just slightly wider, and they both have 23mm ring capacity. Let's have a look inside. On the right hand side, you have one elastic pen loop, 3 card slots, 1 secretarial slip pocket. The lining is a slightly brighter pink shade, and at the back we have 1 notepad slip. Now it comes along with the standard planner inserts. So let's have a look. So this is 2024 planner, week on 2 pages. So you have the plastic card at the front, and let's quickly flip through 2023 and 2025 calendar, personal information, national information, religious festivals and holiday symbols, and you have week on 2 pages spread. It comes with 6 divided tabs in shade white, and the other planner inserts it comes with are to-do list, contacts, lined white paper, white grid paper, white blank paper, and lined paper in blue, green, and pink. It comes with a personal size ruler or page marker and a top opening slip envelope. As mentioned, the cover is quite sturdy and stiff. It has a sleek, compact look to it. So compared to the Malden's cover, so the Malden is a little bit softer. Let's quickly have a Malden in the ochre color. So this is what I'm currently in my day-to-day planning. So as you can see, the Malden cover is quite flexible, while the Saffiano's, because it is cardboard backed, it is a little bit stiffer. If you're looking for a nice blush pink leather look organizer, the Saffiano is the one for you because it has a nice sleek look and at an affordable price. Now let's look how it lays. So at first it doesn't lay flat, but I'm sure it's one that can be trained to lay flat once used regularly. Like I said, the ring is 23mm, but I think because of the sturdy cover, I'm not sure if it'll able to withstand all the planner inserts I currently have in my Malden personal size organizer in the color ochre, but let's have a look and see what can fit inside. So let me get everything out of my personal Malden. Let's try and do this elegantly. I don't think I will be able to do that. Okay, let's have a look and pop in all my current daily planner inserts, or rather the planner inserts I use on a weekly basis. Try and line up all the hole punch. I'm sure I'll be fast tracking through this bit so I do not bore you. While you're waiting, if you want to see a planner flip of the planner inserts that I am currently using for my personal size, check the top of the screen where I will have the video link to that planner flip through. Okay, let's do the other side to see if we can do this a little bit more elegantly. I do not think I can do that. It's too much all at once. Of course, when someone is watching, things don't go as smoothly. We'll get there, folks. We'll get there. Ooh, nearly. This looks promising. Let's pop the ruler page marker in that. Close it up. And let's have a look. Let's pop this. Ooh, looks good. And let's see if it will close. Are we ready? Hey! That looks fantastic. So there we are. Filofax Saffiano Organiser in personal size in the new shade of blush. Next thing to do is watch the planner flip through that I talked about of all the planner inserts I currently have in my personal size planner. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Bye.